Boxing is not only a powerful sport, but also a comprehensive workout that impacts various aspects of your physical and mental health. In this video, I'll show you the amazing changes your body goes through when you box every day. Stick around until the end, it's going to be really interesting. Let's go! Boxing is an excellent workout for your heart. It's a high-intensity sport that gets your heart rate up and keeps it there, which is ideal for building a strong cardiovascular system. When you're throwing punches and moving around the ring, your heart has to pump harder to send oxygen to all your muscles. This kind of regular activity strengthens your heart muscle, reduces the risk of heart disease, and can improve the efficiency of your cardiovascular system. Fun fact, regular boxing can help lower your resting heart rate and blood pressure, signs of a healthy heart. Did you know that boxing can burn up to 800 calories per hour? That makes it one of the top workouts for losing or maintaining weight. Because it mixes intense bursts of activity with short periods of rest, it's excellent for high-intensity interval training. This type of exercise boosts your metabolism, which means you'll continue to burn calories even after your workout is over. Whether you're punching the bag or sparring in the ring, you're giving your body a full workout that melts calories fast. Boxing is a powerful stress reliever. Hitting a punching bag allows you to release tension in a controlled and safe environment. The physical activity helps release endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. This chemical release can reduce stress levels and elevate your mood, making you feel more relaxed and happier. It's also a great way to take your mind off daily pressures and focus on the moment. So next time you're feeling stressed, consider strapping on some boxing gloves and working it out on the bag. Boxing is not just physical, it requires a lot of mental focus as well. You need to concentrate on your movements, anticipate your opponent's next move, and plan your own strategy. This intense focus during training can improve your concentration skills in everyday life. Additionally, mastering boxing techniques and combinations can boost your self-confidence and decision-making skills. Studies have shown that regular physical activity, like boxing, enhances cognitive function and can even protect against cognitive decline as we age. Boxing is much more than just fighting, it teaches discipline. Every session requires you to focus and stick to routines, whether you're practicing punches or skipping rope. This builds a strong sense of discipline because you need to be consistent and dedicated to improve. Did you know that sticking with a boxing routine can help improve your punctuality and organizational skills in daily life? Boxing requires you to manage your time effectively, adhere to training schedules, and push through tough moments, which translates to better discipline in all areas of your life. When you box, you're constantly moving and adjusting your stance to throw punches or dodge them, which greatly improves your balance. Good balance is crucial in boxing for maintaining posture and power in your punches. Practicing boxing for just an hour can enhance your ability to control your body's movements and maintain stability both in and out of the ring. This improved balance also helps prevent falls and injuries in everyday activities, making it a valuable skill for all ages. Boxing is a fantastic way to strengthen your bones. The repetitive impact of punching a bag or sparring with a partner stimulates bone remodeling, which increases bone density. Just 1 hour of boxing can put enough stress on your bones to start this process. Over time, this can reduce your risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Studies have shown that high-impact, weight-bearing exercises like boxing are one of the best ways to build stronger bones. Boxing involves a lot of quick, repetitive movements, which are great for joint mobility. Punching helps extend the joints in your arms, and moving around the ring keeps your legs and hips limber. Regular boxing, even just an hour a session, enhances the flexibility and range of motion in your joints, which can lead to improved performance in other physical activities and a decrease in joint pain and stiffness. High blood pressure is a common health issue, but boxing can help manage it. The vigorous physical activity involved in boxing increases heart rate and improves circulation, which can help lower blood pressure over time. Regularly boxing for an hour can be particularly effective. It not only helps in immediate stress relief, but also contributes to long-term cardiovascular health, significantly reducing the risk of hypertension and its related complications. Boxing sharpens your reaction time significantly. During a match or practice, you must quickly read your opponent's movements and react instantly to dodge or counter their punches. This constant practice improves your overall alertness and speed in responding to stimuli. An hour of boxing can really hone these reflexes, which translates into quicker reaction times, not just in sports, but in everyday situations that require fast decision-making, like driving.